Hi folks, welcome to our channel Education for Free. In this video we are going to learn about the time and work, the part 4, the last part of the time and work. See, now in this problem 45 men can complete a work in 16 days. 4 days after they started working, 36 more men joined them. How many days will they now take to complete the remaining work? As I said in the previous video, we are having the formula m1 d1 by w1 is equal to m2 d2 by w2. Here m1 is nothing but 45 men can complete a work in 16 days. Work will be completed, so it will become 1. In m2 what we have to do? 4 days after they started working. Who started the working? 45 men. 45 men started the working and they have did for the 4 days. Plus 36 more men joined them. So 45 plus 36 how much? 81. So 81 into how many days will they now take to complete the remaining work? That has to be, we have to find that one only. So it will become x. So if you are solving this means x will become 20 by 3 days. So if you cleanly observe, we just followed this formula m1 d1 by w1 is equal to m2 d2 by w2. In this we have did that 4 days after they started working, that is nothing but for those 4 days 45 men only there. After that 36 more men joined, so 45 plus 36 will become 81. Then how many days will now they take to complete the remaining work? That has to be find out from this sum. Okay, this is about the 16th problem. Now we are looking at the 17th problem, which is very important. This question is asked in Banking and Staff Selection Commission. Okay, A can write 75 pages in 25 hours. A and B together can write 135 pages in 27 hours. In what time can B write in 42 pages? Can B write 42 pages? Okay, as given in the question, A can write 75 pages in 25 hours. 25 hours, 75 pages. So in 1 hour how much? 3. Okay, similarly A and B together can write 135 pages in 27 hours. So A and B can write 5 pages in 1 hour. Simple that in 27 hours 135 pages is completed. In 1 hour how many pages? 5 pages. So with this what we can find is A plus B can complete 5 pages in 1 hour. A can complete 3 pages in 1 hour. So that remaining 2 pages is completed by B. So here in 1 hour 2 pages is completed by B. So in how many hours? 42 pages will be completed. See, that is only the question. In what time can B write 42 pages? 42 pages will be completed in 21 hours. Okay, this is about the 17th question. Okay, this is about the 18th problem. Here we can see that A can do 1 by 2 of work in 9 days, while B can do 1 by 3 of the same work in 6 days. How long would it be take for A and B together to complete the work? This is a very easiest problem. See, half work in 9 days means A can complete the full work in 18 days. B can do 1 by 3 of the work in 6 days means it will complete total work in 18 days. See, 1 by 2 work in 9 days means work will become 18 days for A. 1 by 3 work is completed in 6 days means B will complete in 18 days. That is all I written here. So we know very well that work is equal to time into efficiency. So 18 into 1 or 18 into 1, it will become 18. So how long would it take for A and B together to complete the work? We know the work is nothing but 18. So 18 is equal to time into efficiencies. Efficiency of both A and B is nothing but 1 plus 1, 2. So work will become 18, efficiency will become 2. So time is equal to 9 days. A plus B together can complete the work in 9 days. We are just using work here, efficiency is from here, A plus B 2, 18 by 2. Okay, this is about the 18th problem. Now we are looking at the 19th problem. This question is asked many times. Here we have to find out 40 men can complete a work in 40 days. They started working together, but at the end of each 10th day, 5 men will left the job. The work have been completed in how much? We just focus on only one formula, that is M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 by W2. In the question you see 40 men can complete a work in 40 days. So 40 into 40 by 1, that is work is completed, and 40 men will work for 10 days. They started working together, but end of each 10th day 5 men will left. So for the first 10 days 40 men will be working as usual, but after that 5 men will left. So in the 40, if 5 men will left means only 35 members will be there. So those 35 members will work for 10 days. Again after 10 days, again 5 members will be leaving the job. So it will become 30 into 10. Similarly, we have to go after in the 30 again 5 members will left. So 25 into 10 days. After 10 days again 5 members will be left from 25 days. 25. So 20 into 10. So here in the left hand side we have the total work is 1600. So in the right hand side we have to equate to this 1600. So again after 10 days again 5 members will be left from these 20. So 15 into x. We don't know how many days these people has to work. So we are just adding 40 into 10, 35 into 10, 30 into 10, 25 into 10, 20 into 10, 15 into x. So here there is 1600. Here there is 1500 plus 15 into x. So x will become 2 by 3 days. So in the question the work would have been completed in how many days? Here we have to consider 40 men work for 10 days. 10 days. Here 10, 10, 10. Total 50 plus this x how many days? 6 2 by 3. So total 56 2 by 3 days. This work would have been completed if 5 men leaving for every 10 days. Okay, this is very most important problem. You please go through this once again. Okay, this is about the 19th problem, and this is the last problem in the time and work. See, a contractor undertook to finish a work in 92 days and employed 110 men. After 48 days, he found that he had done 3 by 5 part of the work. The number of men he can withdraw so that work may still be finished in time is. We are just using the formula M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 by W2. Here see, a contractor undertook to finish a work in 92 days. He employed 110 members for that. After 48 days, he found he had been done 3 by 5 part of the work. So 110 members after working for 48 days, 3 by 5 of the work is completed. That is equal to the number of men he can withdraw. We are considering x as M2. So M2 will be x. The days how much? Here 48 days is completed. Total they given 92 days. In that 92 days, 48 days is completed. So remaining days 44 days. Already 3 by 5 part of the work is completed. Remaining part how much? 2 by 5 part. So we will get x as 80. With these 80 members, we are able to complete the work in 92 days. But they employed 110 members. But with 80 members only, we are able to complete the work. So number of men withdrawn is equal to 110 minus 80. That will become 30 men. Here 80 is not the number of men he can withdraw. Here 80 is the men in order to complete the work in 92 days. So but he employed 110 members. So 110 minus 80. 30 men will be extra, so that he can withdraw 30 men. Okay, this is all about time and work. If you are having any doubts, you can mail to the